Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot video playback problems you're having on your Windows 11 computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select System on the left side, and then on the right side you want to scroll down underneath Troubleshoot. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select Other Troubleshooters. On the right side, you want to scroll down and select Video Playback. Select the Run button. And then select which issues you're having. So whether it's opening video playback settings or there's an issue with the display, go ahead and just select whatever your applicable issue is there, guys. And it'll run the troubleshooter for it. You can see it'll also take us to another page here. So if it says save network bandwidth by playing video at lower resolution, if that's turned on, you may want to turn it off. So maybe there is an issue with your resolution and that's what your playback problem is. However, also if you're noticing if it's buffering really slow, maybe you do want to play it at a lower resolution. So if you go ahead and toggle that to the on position, and then underneath battery options, you can click inside the drop down here. And I would suggest selecting optimize for video quality. That's definitely something I would take a look at there. And then you can also open up HDR, so go ahead and select that. And then if you have HDR settings, if you click inside the drop down, if you have multiple monitors, you can select the individual settings for each monitor. And if your monitor was supported, you'd be able to adjust the settings for playing, streaming HDR video, as well as the actual feature of using HDR to begin with. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.